Friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, Vacuum University, Vyasabihar, Balasore, Odisha. Once again, friends, I am welcoming to all of you to Dr. A B JENA classes. Friends, today we are going to discuss the 40 multiple choice question as per the syllabus given by the Government of Odisha for the PGT postgraduate teachers. Friends, it's the part 2, I mean the series 2. I have already posted one video on from the unit 1. It's in the business environment, and today, friends, we'll discuss the part 2 series 2 and unit 2 and the financial accounting. And friends, आपको बहुत जल्दी मिल जाएगा द फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग का पार्ट 2. एंड सो फार एज टुडेज डिस्कशन, ये डिस्कशन बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा पर्टिकुलरली टू द 11th एंड 12th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट के लिए, जो हु आर गोइंग टू appear the CBSE and the chse ncert, particularly 11th and 12th standard students. And this discussion में बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा टू द UG and PG students so far as the commerce, management, PMR, MFC and other related subjects like CA foundation, ICAI foundation courses. And friends, and this discussion will be very useful in your exemption, those who are going to appear also the UGC NET JRF exemption in the subject of commerce and management. And student friends, particular to the student category in your exam, so you will get the true or false or fill in the blanks or define or answer within 1 or 2 sentences. So that's why this discussion will be very useful. So बहुत मज़ा आप definitely you will get. And so I will request to all of you शुरू से एंड तक काइंडली आप वॉच कीजिए. डेफिनेटली you will know more and more. Friends, again I am request to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you give your valuable comment and a suggestion in the comment section. Friends, without delay we will start our academic journey. आज के लिए डिस्कशन है हमारा फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग फ्रॉम it's a PGT series 2, the financial accounting. So this 40 MCQs has been prepared as for the syllabus of PGT. So our discussion is on the financial accounting. So definitely we will know who is regarded as or who is the father of accounting or double entry system. A. Henry Fayol, B. Frederick W. Taylor, C. Luca Pacioli, D. Elton Mayo. It's the image, the father of accounting. Definitely you can guess. And for your information, I have already posted 2 separate video on MCQs from financial accounting. Kindly go through the posted video. Definitely you will know more and more. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So Luca Pacioli is regarded as the father of accounting or a double entry system. So next one, there are dash columns, or how many columns in a ledger? A 6, B 8, C 10, D 12. No doubt, friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So 8 column है ledger में. So next one MCQ. So copyrights, patents, trademarks are the example of. So these are the image. Coca-Cola, it's Apple, it's Walmart, Amazon, that is the FedEx, and it's the Facebook. And definitely, so copyrights, patents, and trademarks are the example of or which types of assets. क्या है? A current assets, B fixed assets, C intangible assets, D investments. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So copyrights, patents, trademarks are the example of क्या? The intangible assets. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे. In general, the business transactions are recorded in which manner? A once a week, B once a month, C same day, D next day. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. In general, the business transactions are recorded in a same day. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, ledger is a book of क्या? A. It's adjustment entry. B. It's the rectification entry. C. It's the original entry. D. It's the final entry. Friends, no doubt, ledger is a book of क्या है final entry. So D is the right option for this MCQ. From this image, you can easily guess the MCQ will from the discount. So discount allowed for quick payment is known as what? Discount allowed for quick payment is called as क्या? A. It's rebate. B. It's trade discount. C. It's cash discount. D. It's all the above. No doubt. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, so discount is divided in two parts. दो तरह का डिस्काउंट होते हैं. एक है ट्रेड डिस्काउंट और दूसरा है कैश डिस्काउंट. सो friends, just in previous video I have already posted the 25 the basic or important or vital that is terms of accounting. Kindly go through the posted video, so detailed discussion is there. You will know what is the meaning of trade discount and what is the meaning of cash discount. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे dash is और which one is called as the book of original entry. किसको हम बोलते हैं बुक ऑफ ओरिजिनल एंट्री. ए लेजर, बी जनरल, सी कैश बुक, डी ट्रायल बैलेंस. नो डाउट फ्रेंड्स बी होगा. सो बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस MCQ. सो जर्नल इज कॉल्ड और नोन एज द बुक ऑफ ओरिजिनल एंट्री. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रॉम दिस इमेज यू कैन इजीली गेस. So it's accounting standard. What is the meaning of accounting standard, friends? So it's a common set of principles, standards, procedures that define the basis of financial accounting policies and practices. The books of accounting, the financial statements will be prepared as per the accounting standards given by ICAI in India. That is Institute of Cost Accountant of India. Its act is, friends, 1949. Friends, you remember. Definitely you will get the short question or fill in the blanks or true or false. So accounting standard A stands for accounting standard 17 issued by ICAI is related to which? 1. A. It's cash flow statement. B. It's intangible assets. C. It's earning per share. D. It's segment reporting. Friends, no doubt D is the right option for this MCQ. So accounting standard is A 17 issued by ICAI is related to D. क्या है D? So D है segment reporting. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे. The policy of anticipating no profit but provide for all possible losses arises in which concept? Friends, in separate video हम discuss करेंगे accounting concept and convention. So detail. A. It's a business entity concept. B. It's that is the conservatism concept. C. It's the matching concept. D. It's the dual aspect concept. Friends, typing error है. This will be concept. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So it's the common question everywhere, particularly in the interview board. So policy of anticipating no profit but provide for all possible losses arises according to or coming under the conservatism concept. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. is in which the golden principles of accounting we have already discussed in the previous posted video. Kindly go through the posted video, आपको ज़्यादा information मिल जाएगा. So debit the receiver and credit the giver is a which account? A it's the personal account, B it's the real account, C it's nominal account, D it's the suspense account. Friends, no doubt A पर्सनल अकाउंट होगा. सो द रूल ऑफ पर्सनल अकाउंट क्या है? डेबिट इज द रिसीवर एंड क्रेडिट इज द गिवर. सो ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस MCQ. सो नेक्स्ट वन फ्रॉम द अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन. So easily we can guess what will be the right option. So asset is there, here liability and equities are there. So we will not discuss or I will not give more time. So elements of accounting equations are what? What are the elements of accounting equation? क्या है? Capital and liabilities. B its capital and assets. C its assets and liabilities. D its assets, liabilities and capital. Friends, no doubt. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So accounting equation is equal to what is this? Accounting equation. So assets is equal to, that is the liability plus capital. Kindly go through the posted video. I have already posted there, and so there is the detailed discussion here. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, matching concept. So what will be matched with what? किसका साथ किसका matching होगा? So matching concept tells about means what? A its C capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. B its C, that is the anticipate no profit but provide all losses. C its expenses should be matched with revenue of the particular period. D its C transactions are recorded on the basis of accrual basis. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. In matching concept, the expenses will be matched with the revenue. So R minus E, revenue minus expenses, is equal to what is this? Gain or income. So next one MCQ, the data or transactions are entered in which order? इस ऑर्डर में डाटा और ट्रांजैक्शन एंटर होता है. A its C alphabetical order, B its C chronological order, C both A and B, D its C none of the above. Friends, no doubt B is the right option for this MCQ. The data or transactions are entered in chronological order. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, the proprietor. Proprietor मतलब क्या है? Owner of the business. Proprietor मतलब owner of the business. So proprietor pays the interest on the drawings according to किस concept में? A its dual aspect concept, B its money measurement concept, C its matching concept, D its entity concept. So friends, so D होगा. So D है right option for this MCQ. The proprietor pays the interest to the business on a drawing according to which concept? Business entity concept. So D है right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, the business firm is separated from its owner. Owner मतलब proprietor according to which concept? किस concept में? A its business entity concept, B its cost concept, C its money measurement concept, D its matching concept. Friends, no doubt A is the right option for this MCQ. So business and the owner will be treated as a separate person. So business is an artificial person, and whereas owner of the or proprietor of the business is the natural person. So definitely business firm is separate from its owner according to the business entity concept. Why? In order to know the true financial position of the business. So net profit क्या है, gross profit क्या है, what are the assets and liability positions and other affairs of the business. So that's why the business entity concept will be followed. So next one is equity. Both equity of owner and assets will increase by, in which situation? किस situation में both equity of the owner, the equity share and the assets of the firm will increase. किस situation में? A है purchase of machines on credit, B its payment to creditors, D its drawing by owner, D है retained earnings. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. What is the meaning of R is? After making the payment, interest to the debenture holder, dividend to the both the preferred shareholder, after paying the interest, then your business will pay the tax. After paying the tax, then the dividend will be paid to both the preferred shareholder, at last to the equity shareholder. What is the remaining? So this will be treated as the retained earnings, and retained earnings is the internal sources of finance, and which will be very useful and fruitful to the business for the purpose of reinvestment in order to have what is this growth, development, modernization, expansion, etc. So written earnings will be the right option for this MCQ. So next one is not for making profit organization adopt which basis of accounting. कौन सा बेसिस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग अडॉप्ट होता है नॉट फॉर मेकिंग प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में? ए इट्स एक्चुअल बेसिस, बी इट्स कैश बेसिस, सी इट्स इम्प्रेस सिस्टम, डी इट्स बोथ ए एंड बी. फ्रेंड्स, B is the right option for this MCQ. So not for making profit organization adopt the cash basis of accounting system. So next one, it's the bank reconciliation statement. What is this? So bank reconciliation statement, it is a summary of banking and business activities that reconcile an entities means business firms, bank's account with its financial records. So there should not be the gap. And so the MCQ from the bank reconciliation statement is क्या है? A bank reconciliation statement is a what? Part of cash book. B it's part of passbook. C it's separate statement. D it's both A and B. No doubt. So C है the right option for this MCQ. Bank reconciliation statement is a separate statement. So next one MCQ, we have already discussed, that is the ICAI. Its full form, friends, you have to remember the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Its act is that is the 1949. It's so accounting standard 19 issued by ICAI. It related to किसके पर? A it's cash flow statement, B it's intangible assets, C it's lease, D it's interim financial reporting. No doubt, friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Accounting standard or AS19 is related or issued by ICAI is related to the lease. I mean the C is the right option for this MCQ. And again from the accounting standard 34 issued by ICAI is related to इसके पर A its valuation of inventories, B its interim financial reporting, C its provision for contingent assets and liabilities, D its depreciation accounting. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So accounting standard 34 issued by ICAI is related to interim financial reporting. So next one MCQ, the trial balance. The balance will be tried to check क्या? A it's accuracy of a accountant, B it's arithmetical accuracy of a book, C it's honesty of a bookkeeper, D it's accuracy of a net profit or calculation or true net profit of the business. No doubt, friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. Trial balance checks what? The arithmetical accuracy of a books of accounts of the business firm or business organization. So next one, error मतलब friends, that is the mistake. Which errors will not affect the trial balance? Option A, wrong totaling of an account, B it's wrong balancing of an account, C it's writing the amount in wrong account but on correct side of account. Suppose you have purchased a machine, cost is that is the 40,000, instead of debited or credited in that is the machinery account. So you will instead of machinery account, so you will debit, and the furniture account will be maintained instead of machinery account. So in this situation, trial balance will not be affected. That is, the machinery is fixed asset, the furniture is also fixed asset. So trial balance totaling or the trial balance will not be affected. I am hopeful that so now you are clear. So C is the right option for this MCQ. C. So next one MCQ. On purchasing an old furniture 5,000 rupees spent हुआ, किसके लिए? फॉर रिपेयर्स विल बी डेबिटेड. कौन सा अकाउंट डेबिटेड होगा? डेबिट होगा ए वेजेस अकाउंट, बी इट्स रिपेयर अकाउंट, सी इट्स फर्नीचर अकाउंट, डी इट्स नॉन ऑफ द अकाउंट. नो डाउट फ्रेंड्स. सो सी है राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस MCQ. ऑन परचेजिंग एन ओल्ड फर्नीचर रुपीज 5,000 स्पेंड ऑन रिपेयर्स विल बी डेबिटेड. कौन सा अकाउंट डेबिटेड होगा? furniture account. So here the journal entry will be the furniture account debited to the cash account. In separate video by citing the suitable example, the journal entry will do the journal entry. Kindly wait कीजिए, very soon you will get. So next one MCQ from the trial balance. Which errors are disclosed in trial balance? कौन सा एरर ट्रायल बैलेंस पे डिस्क्लोज होगा? A, it's not recording the transaction in the books of original entry, I mean in the journal. B, it's a wrong amount posted in the ledger account. C, it's error of principle. D, it's none of the above. Friends, no doubt B होगा the right option A for this MCQ. So wrong amount posted in the ledger account are disclosed in where? Trial balance. Trial balance. Suppose in the journal its amount is 40,000. If same will be transferred to the ledger account, it's 25,000. So definitely the error will be disclosed there. So next one MCQ. Royalties paid on production is charged to कौन सा अकाउंट में चार्ज होगा? ए, इट्स ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. बी, क्या है? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. सी, बोथ ए एंड बी. डी, इट्स नॉन ऑफ द एबव. फ्रेंड्स, सो ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस एमसीक्यू. सो रॉयल्टीज पेड ऑन प्रोडक्शन इज चार्ज्ड कौन सा अकाउंट में? सो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. सो ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस एमसीक्यू. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज कोल माइन इज और आर किस तरह का और किस टाइप का एसेट है? ए, इट्स इंटेंजिबल एसेट. बी, इट्स वेस्टिंग एसेट. सी, इट्स करंट एसेट्स. डी, इट्स कॉन्टीजेंट एसेट्स. फ्रेंड्स, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Coal mine is a wasting assets. So in a long run, so whatever the coal from the mines will be exhausted or will be finished. So that's why it's the wasting assets. So next one, the financial position of a business firm is revealed by from where will know the financial position of your business? A, it's trading account. B, it's profit and loss account. C, it's balance sheet. D, it's trial balance. Friends, no doubt. So B, C is the right option for this MCQ. The financial position of the business firm is revealed through or after preparing the balance sheet. So balance sheet is prepared to know the financial position. So trading account is prepared to know the gross profit. Profit and loss account is prepared to know the net profit, and trial balance is prepared, which we have already discussed, to know the arithmetical accuracy of books of account. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Come to the manufacturing account of a firm shows what? A, it's net cash. B, it's gross profit. C, it's net profit. D, it's cost of goods manufactured. Friends, we have already discussed easily, no doubt. So here, so D होगा right option for this MCQ. So manufacturing account of a firm shows what? The cost of goods manufactured. So next MCQ हम देखेंगे valuation of closing stock. Valuation of closing stock of a business is done कौन सा प्राइस में होगा? A, it's market price. B, it's cost price. C, it's cost price or market price, whichever is lower. D, it's cost price or the market price, whichever is higher. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Valuation of the closing stock is done cost price or market price, whichever is lower. So next one, from this image, easily you can guess the MCQ will be or is from the prepaid expenses. So prepaid expenses is the what? Prepaid expenses क्या है? A, it's asset. B, is liability. C, it's income. D, it's expenses. Friends, no doubt A is the right option for this MCQ. Prepaid expenses मतलब the expenses has not been due but you have paid. So it's the meaning of prepaid expenses. In a separate video, what would be the adjustment entry will be passed in another video we will discuss. So here the prepaid expenses will be treated as what? The asset, whereas outstanding expenses will be treated as what? Liability. So outstanding expenses will be treated as what? The liability. So next one MCQ, the prepaid wages rupees 5,000 appear in the trial balance and these will be appear in where? Prepaid wages 5,000 appear है कहाँ पर? ट्रायल बैलेंस. So prepaid wages again when we will prepare the final account in a where this will be shown. A it's a trading account, B it's a profit and loss account, C it's a balance sheet, D it's a suspense account. Friends, no doubt. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Balance sheet. Prepaid wages for 5,000 will appear, which has appeared in the trial balance again. So this amount will appear or shown in where? In a trial balance. Trial balance. Balance sheet. In a balance sheet. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, overriding commission is calculated on the basis of that is. So this MCQ from the consignment. Overriding commission is calculated on the basis of कौन सा basis में calculate होता है? A it's cash sales, B it's credit sales only, C it's sales at higher price, D it's credit sales minus cash sales. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Overriding commission is calculated on the basis of sales at higher price. So next one MCQ. So bad debt. So bad debt is the loss, business loss, and the amount which will not be recovered from the customer or from the debtor. So bad debt recovered. So it's the good news to the business. That is the happy moment to the business. So each और an क्या है? So bad debt recovered जब होता है इसे बिजनेस के लिए क्या लॉस होगा और गेन होगा और एसेट होगा और लाइबिलिटी होगा. फ्रेंड्स, नो डाउट B is the right option for this MCQ. So here B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, cash flow statement of a business include what? कौन सा? Activities. So A it's operating activities, B it's investing activities, C it's financing activities, D it's all the above. No doubt, friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So cash flow statement of the business include of the firm include what? Operating related activities, investing related activities, financing related activities. In part 2, by citing the separate example, we will discuss again the cash flow statement और क्या है ऑपरेटिंग रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज, क्या है इन्वेस्टिंग रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज, क्या है financing related activities. So here friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, MCQ, it's the difference between the bond and stock. Frequently friends you may get the question. So bond it's simply it's a loan to a company or the government. By issuing the bond, the company or government will raise the fund or the finance or money, and the stock matlab it's the ownership of the business, the stockholder or the equity shareholder. So इसमें क्या होता है, when a company issues bond and stocks raise funds, so these will result what will be result? A it's increase in the liabilities, B it's increase the equity, C it's increasing the cash in cash, D it's decrease in cash. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So this is the difference between the bond and stock. Kindly you watch it and you note down it, and if any doubt will be there, kindly you give your valuable comment or you put the question in the comment section. Definitely I will respond to your query or to your doubt. So next one MCQ. A company can minimize the cash disbursement as per the principles of cash managed by what? A it's ignoring the creditors, B it's non-payment to the creditors, C it's saving the time trap to creditors and making the staggered payment, D it's increasing the credit period for payment. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. A company can minimize the cash disbursement as per the principles of cash management by saving the time draft to creditors and making the staggered payment. The at last moment or the last date the payment will be made. So in this way that your business can minimize the cash disbursement. So next one MCQ from the joint venture is the win-win strategy. What is the meaning of joint venture? A business arrangement in which two or more parties agree to pool their resources for the purpose of achievement or the accomplishing the specific task or goal or objectives. So two आदमी, this fellow has the huge resources and this fellow has what that is the idea or other skill. So the both person will come together and they will pool their resources, whether it may be the technical resources or financial resources, non-financial resources, in order to discharge or perform or to achieve the specific task or the objective. So joint venture is a what kind of account? Joint venture account क्या कौन सा टाइप का account है? A it's nominal account, B it's real account, C it's personal account, D it's none of these. No doubt friends. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So joint venture account is a क्या है? Nominal account. So next one MCQ, when unsold stock is taken away by co-venturer, then which account is debited? कौन सा account debit होगा? It's joint bank account, B it's co-venturers capital account, C it's joint stock account, D it's joint venture account. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So when unsold stock is taken away by co-venturer, then which account is debited? So co-venturer capital account debit होगा. So next one MCQ, the pro forma invoice is sent by whom to whom? So pro forma invoice is sent by whom to whom? A it's debtors to consignee, B it's debtors to consignor, C it's consigned to consignor, D it's consignor to consignee. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So consignment account is, so consignor, who is consignor? So consignor is a person who sends the goods for sale to whom? To the consignee. Then who is consignee? So consignee is a person who sells the goods on behalf of the consignor or on the basis of a commission. Friends, I am hopeful that so now you are clear what is the meaning of consignor and consignee. So last but not the least, commission given by consignor to consignee. As we know, so consignee will sell the goods on behalf of the consignor. So for these purposes, consignee will claim what is the commission. So commission given by definitely, but in this situation, commission given by consignor to consignee to cover the bad debt is known as called as which types of commission? A it's special commission, B it's ordinary commission, C it's delegate commission, D it's overriding commission. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So it's the common question you may get in the exam. So commission given by consignor to consignee to cover the bad debt is known as or called as what is this? Delegate commission. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So these are all about the 40 vital MCQs from the financial accounting to the those who are going to appear the PGT postgraduate teachers in the subject of commerce. So once again I am wishing all the very best to the PGT exam. So friends, so these are all about the discussion. So I will have the request to all of you, kindly if you like this video lecture, kindly share it, kindly forward it, kindly you give your valuable comment in the comment section. So once again thanks a lot to all of you.